Governor Janet Mills' office is reacting to the president's announcement tonight. A spokesperson writing in a statement, in part, the governor agrees with the president that the vaccine is the most effective tool to stem this surge, save lives, and end the pandemic. And she shares his desire to see more people vaccinated. And Maine's Independent Senator Angus King saying as threat of the Delta variant overwhelms our hospitals and sets back our economic recovery, I support President Biden's effort to follow the science and encourage more Americans to take the common sense steps to get past this pandemic. But Republican Senator Susan Collins is pushing back, saying tonight the decision should be up to individual employers, saying, quote, the federal government should not be dictating vaccine mandates and especially should not tie Medicare and Medicaid funding essential to the care of our seniors to vaccine mandates. The president's plan will impact tens of thousands of workers in Maine. We've reached out to some of the largest employers from LL Bean to Hannaford and have yet to hear back. The head of the Retail Association of Maine says there's a lot of uncertainty for businesses across the state.
I think there's still a lot of questions that need to be answered. My understanding is that OSHA is going to be coming out with some guidelines and regulations around it. I think one of the things that does concern me is that there's a $14,000 fine that can be levied on an employer for non-compliance. And what I'm not clear about is how this is actually going to be enforced.
And people are asking whether or not the mandate is constitutional. Already there have been several lawsuits in Maine taking aim at the governor's COVID restrictions, and most recently the vaccine mandate for healthcare workers. Maine employment attorney Hannah Wergaft says the president's latest move will also likely face legal action. As for the constitutionality, that has yet to be determined.
It's a tough spot, right? Because it's an issue that'll be litigated for sure, but I think employers will want to keep their legal obligations in mind to keep their workplaces safe.
Wergaft says the seminal case in our area was a Supreme Court ruling that states had the right to mandate smallpox vaccinations back in 1905.